Hi guys, I'm Sanjana. Today I'm going to talk about 5 essential things every girl needs. So first up we have the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It is for all skin types and it is a gel based moisturizer. It is an oil free moisturizer. They claim that it is a non-sticky one. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this is how the packaging looks. It comes in a blue tub. It contains 147 grams of product. It comes covered with a tin foil like cover, and then inside the gel looks like this. So it is a very pale or very light sky blue like gel. So after applying it, this is how it will be. Your skin will absorb it, but still it will feel very plump and moisturized. So it is a very beautiful moisturizer for the oily skin people. But if you are on the drier skin side, you can use it along with the serum. It is going to be a very perfect moisturizer for the summer because it is non-sticky. I have combination skin which tends to be oily during summer, and guys, today I used it under my makeup and I didn't have any problem. The next product is a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very essential, be it any season. So this is Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel Sunscreen with an SPF of 50. It is a matte gel and it has a non-sticky formula. All skin types can use it and it retails for $285. It has 50 grams of product. So when you open it, this is how the product looks. It has this white gel like consistency. So when you apply it over the skin, it feels cool like an aloe gel. After applying, it immediately gets absorbed into your skin. So today I used this sunscreen under my makeup and I didn't have any problem. There's no white cast. It applies like a gel and gets immediately absorbed, and it has a non-sticky formula. So in the category of sunscreen, I have another product. This is a sunscreen from Lotus Herbals. It is also a matte gel sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50. This caters to normal to oily skin. This is 100 gram of product which retails for 440 rupees. They do have few plant extracts like horse chestnut, comfrey and vanilla. So this sunscreen gives us a matte look and it has an oil control formula. So this is how the product looks. It looks like a white gel like formula. So when you apply it, it has a cooling or soothing gel like feel. So immediately it gets absorbed to your skin and gives you a matte feel. So both these are very good sunscreens. So next product is a hair mask from Aranya. It has 225 ml of product. It retails for 440 rupees. It is an argan oil hair mask. In addition to argan oil, it has amla, bringraj, shiakai, green tea and vitamin E. So it has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones and no mineral oil. So it is also approved by the curly girl hair method. You can use it as a wash away conditioner, or you can use it as a hair mask after the conditioner. So first you shampoo your hair, then rinse it off, then use a conditioner, then rinse it off, and keep the hair mask for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off. It will moisturize your hair. So this hair mask will make your hair soft and silky. So it can be used by people with chemically treated hair, color treated hair. People with curly hair can also use it. So it is a wonderful mask. This is my third tub and I will always purchase this mask. I highly recommend it. So the next product is a face mask. which is very essential for us during this corona times. So this face mask is from Wildcraft. It's a 6-layered face mask which is anti-pollution, anti-dust, antibacterial face mask which has 6 layers. It is known as the Hypa Shield W95 reusable outdoor protection mask. So it's a reusable mask which you can wash and reuse. So it comes in a plastic cover with the instruction manual. In the front you have the name of the mask, and behind you have the instruction as to how you have to use it and how you have to wash. So you have the instruction manual. This is how the mask looks. Hope you can see. It's a black mask with the Wildcraft logo, which is a W, which is written in orange. It has a mesh like outer part, and then inside you have this white cloth like material. It has 6 layers in it. So in the top it has an adjustable nose clip. It looks very flexible and sturdy, so that's how it will cling to your nose. And then it is a very breathable material. Ear loops are very comfortable, so the ear loops will go over your ear. So it comes in 2 sizes. This is medium and this is large. So this is almost like medium is smaller than large by almost 1 inch. Medium is the correct size for me. So if you have a small to medium size face, the medium size mask will be correct for you. But if you have a slightly bigger face, then L will be correct for you. So let's do it in one go. This is how you have to adjust the nose clip over your nose, so that it's tight over your nose, and see that it covers your mouth and nose properly. So this is how the mask looks, guys. So the mask is very comfortable. The last product is going to be very essential for girls who are going to wear a mask. That is a liquid matte lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is the shade Mocha, because most of the girls like nude lipstick. It has 6 grams of product and it retails for 499 rupees. So this is a dusty rose color. It's going to be very beautiful for everyday use, and this will be transfer proof when you wear a mask, because it is a liquid matte lipstick. And if you are a girl who likes bold lip colors like me, this is the color for you. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the color Missy and Fierce. It is a beautiful blue-red color. It looks flattering and beautiful on all skin tones. This is also a liquid matte lipstick from Wet n Wild, which retails for the same price, 499 rupees, and has 6 grams of product, just like Gimme Mocha. So that's it for today's video, guys. So if you want any detailed review on these products, please mention in the comment section below. All these products will be mentioned in the description box. Thank you, guys. Be safe. Stay at home. Bye, guys. So both these are very good sunscreens. Sunscreen. Today, guys, I used it under my moisturizer and